What I gotta show you guys are side emitting tubes. Now these are sequential switchback side emitting tubes, meaning that they do actually flow outward with the turn signal input and then switch back to a white color like that. These do have quite a bit of flexibility, so they can fit in many different applications depending on the light layout, and they can be cut down to a smaller size. So in order to cut them down to a smaller size, you're going to want to verify the length that you need the tube to be and cut just a little bit longer than it to be safe. So you go ahead and just use a knife to cut back on that silicone tube, and the goal here is to cut the tube back around the strip rather than cutting directly through the strip. And then from that point, you can determine at what point on the strip you want to cut out. So if I pull this back here, you can see there is the yellow and white strip in there, and the lines don't always necessarily line up. So you do want to try to find the two lines and cut the strips individually. So in the case of this strip here, I can just separate the two. I'm going to cut that one right there, and then I will go to the back side and cut this one on that cut line, just like so. Then I can cut it down, and it's ready to plug right back in for testing. Do keep in mind when cutting these, you do not want to have it plugged in. And unfortunately, you are not able to use any of the leftover strips. So once they are cut, the rest of it is not going to be usable. But you can cut this to size in one length and use it in the light. They are available in 24 and 36-inch lengths, and they are sold as a pair. You can get them right now at nextlevelneo.com.